Want to get into watching Hayu's reality on-demand streaming service? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Hayu. Now let's get started. If you don't have a Hayu account yet, check out our tutorial on how to sign up for a 1-month free trial. On the Hayu homepage, you'll see featured shows displayed in the carousel at the top. Use the arrows on either side to see which shows are being featured. If you scroll down on the homepage, you'll see various categories like Fresh from TV, Hayu Categories, Recently Added, Favorite Franchises, Current Seasons, and more. You can use the arrow on the right to see more shows that fall under any of these categories. If you click on one of these show tiles, you'll be taken to that show's page where you can read more about it, see available seasons and episodes, as well as related shows if you're looking for something similar. If you like this series, you can add it to your watch list by clicking the plus sign beside My Shows. Easily select the season and episode you'd like to watch. Once you've selected an episode, click the play button to start watching. While streaming, you can use the playback controls at the bottom of the window to play, pause, rewind, and fast forward. You can adjust the volume using the audio slider. Quickly see how far along you are in an episode, or jump to a specific part of the episode using the playback bar. Turn on captions by clicking the speech bubble icon on the right. To watch in full screen mode, click the rectangle icon in the bottom right corner. Click the X in the top right corner or hit Escape on your keyboard to exit full screen mode. To search for a specific series, genre, or actor, click the search icon in the top right corner. Then, type in what you'd like to search for in the text box at the top. Scroll down to check out the search results and click on the show you're looking for when you find it. To easily find your favorite shows, click My Shows at the top. Here you'll find any shows you've added as well as your favorite categories. You can remove anything on these lists by clicking Edit on the right. Select anything you'd like to remove, then click Delete Selected at the bottom. Click OK to confirm. If you click My Account at the top, you can access your account details, payment information, and settings. That does it for our guide to using Hayu. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.